Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Now, sneakers. We gotta talk about some sneakers today. We got some pretty dope things that we do have to talk about, so we're about to get straight into that. Let me go ahead and fix myself up. But before we get into this video, please go ahead and check out the socials. That means the Instagram and the Twitter. That is going to be at ImChrisBriggs. And please go ahead and check out the second Instagram, which is the family Instagram, at ImChrisBriggs too. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Alright, so for the first thing in sneaker news, we get a first look at the Air Jordan 5 alternate grape. And when it comes to this sneaker right here, which is pretty much like this all over purple suede that is going to be all over the shoe. Also, you get hits of a turquoise, which is going to be on like the lace locks and them little shark teeth on the bottom of the midsole. Let me keep it real with you, bro. These shits is hard. The alternate grapes is hard. And honestly, I'ma keep it real. I'ma take it even a step. I'ma take it even a step further. We're gonna take it a step further beyond. Where's that from? If you know where that's from, let me know in the comment section down below. This looks better than the black grapes, and it looks just as good as the grapes. In these pictures that I'm seeing, this looks fire. That all over purple suede is just dope. The hits of teal, like accented, that looks dope also. I'm loving this sneaker. I'm loving it. Now, when it comes to this sneaker's release date, it is going to be releasing April 2020. We don't necessarily know when exactly it'll be dropping yet, but if you guys are looking forward to this sneaker, hey, just stay tuned to your Chris Briggs channel, because your friendly neighborhood Chris Briggs is going to keep you up to date on all the latest things in sneaker news. You feel me? Now, when it comes for the next thing in sneaker news, we also have a first look at the Air Jordan 4 Court Purple, and this one is going to be like a all over white, tumbled leather, and you're going to see like hits of like this metallic court purple look on really like the eyelets of the Air Jordan 4. This honestly looks like a pure money 4, but just court purpleized, if you get what I'm saying. Just based off of looking at these pictures, yo, this quality looks hard. There's gonna be a Jordan Jumpman on the back, which, you feel me, I guess I'm not tripping on that. That leather quality looks like it is definitely on point. Now, when it comes to the release date of this sneaker, you can be looking forward to this sneaker. May 14th, 2020 is going to be at that usual 190. Am I going to be going for this sneaker? I'm not sure, bro. It honestly just depends how things are going on in May. Like, what's going on? It depends what's dropping. And when it comes to Jordans, you can't just cop Jordans, because you always have to take into account that there are some Yeezys that are going to be dropping that month also. When it comes to the Court Purple Air Jordan 4, how are you guys feeling about those? Also, how are you guys feeling about the similarities to the Pure Money 4? Are you rocking with that? Are you not? Let me know. Put that in the comment section down below. Now, for the next thing in sneaker news, we have to talk about the Air Jordan Mid in this incredible Hulk colorway. There's either two things with this sneaker. Either this sneaker is going to be extremely dope on feet, or this sneaker is just going to be some ass. Looking at this sneaker right here, like I said, it is an incredible Hulk colorway. The upper is going to be in like this forest green. It's going to be in like that, a little bit more of that court purple too. And then you're going to have a white upper. I do expect this sneaker to come with extra laces, but right now for the pictures that we're seeing, we're only seeing like white laces. Even though I'm not too interested in this sneaker, I think that this sneaker is still going to do pretty well. Any type of Air Jordan 1 these days will go. Like a lot of like how we already know, a lot of people didn't mess with the mids initially. Now people mess with the mids. A lot of people didn't mess with the lows initially. Listen, you drop a couple of hype colorways of the lows, and now the lows are moving. So these are going to be messed with other people. But for me, I'm just not exactly sure how I feel about them. I'd have to see them in person. I'd have to try them on. But I do feel like, you feel me, just from looking at these pictures alone, the perfect fit could make these look amazing. Nah, nigga. Nah, I'm not about to be out here tripping, you feel me? Nah. Now for the next thing in sneaker news, we have to talk about this Nike Air Max 270 React colorway, which kinda gives nods to the OG Moab. Listen, when it comes to this colorway right here, we're going to see some blacks, we're going to see some oranges, some royal blues, also some hits of creams and some tans. This looks like an alternate New York Knicks colorway, and I'm honestly here for it. Now, I already got a pair of the 270 Reacts. Hold on 1 minute, I'm gonna show you those. I have the art geometries. When it comes to the 270 Reacts, I think that they're dope. The only thing that I will have to say is that you're gonna want to be wary that this sneaker will get dirty really quick just because of the material. This type of material that you see like right here and like along here, that's on almost every 270 React. That gets dirty real quick, and that texture just gets rough real quick. And honestly, it just makes the shoe look real scuffy after a while. So I need you guys to go ahead and keep that in mind. But when it comes to this colorway, like this alternate New York Knicks colorway, maybe the 270 React needs to try like an all over suede. Come out with an all black tumbled leather 270 React, and I feel like the sneaker will be in business. Now for the next thing in sneaker news, we have to talk about the Nike Vapor Max Flyknit 3, which is going to be coming out in these fossil toned knits and also pink flash accents. Well, you know something that's great? Hold on, cause I'm about to show you something real quick, boy. You can't go wrong when it comes to the Briggs, man. Because I got the sneaker right here, and I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with you, right? All of y'all that got girls out here, this is an amazing shoe. This sneaker right here goes so hard, I'm not even about to cap with you right here. This sneaker looks like it should have came out in like this Galaxy pack, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Like zooming in on this Vapor Max Flyknit, you see different hits of like a pink and violet and royal blue and a lavender. Like, that's super dope. Also, the cream upper just adds a different type of look to the sneaker. So for the ladies, if you guys are looking for some Vapor Maxes, listen, go to your Champs, go to your local Foot Locker right now, because they have them there for you. Retail is going to be about $200, $210. It's worth it. Be on the lookout. I got a review and an unboxing for these coming real soon. But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Now, when it comes to everything that I showed today, what's the best, bro? Are you messing with those Vapor Max Flyknit 3s that I just checked out? Are you messing with the alternate New York Knicks Moab colorway of the 270 Reacts? What about the Court Purple 5s? What about the Court Purple 1s or the Court Purple 4s or the Incredible Hulk ones? Let me know in the comment section down below. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. And without further ado, it's your man, Chris Briggs. And all I gotta say is, hey, Chris Briggs, signing out.